Hello, this is Lucas again from People Can Code. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Bootstrap to your website. So for those who don't know yet what Bootstrap is a very nice set of classes for our CSS. It's basically a CSS ready to use in our website, so we don't have to write anything of our own, and it's really well designed. So go ahead and go to getbootstrap.com website and download Bootstrap right here. So what that does, it downloads a zip file into our downloads folder. All right, there we go. So this dist folder. Okay, let's open it. Okay, so there is a couple things here. Okay, there is 3 folders: CSS, fonts, and JavaScript. Copy this into the folder where we used to work in the previous videos. So for the convenience, I put it in the same folder. I create another folder on my desktop, and this is where this is not the right folder. Neither is this one. People Can Code. That's the one. This is what we used to. This is what the files that we created in the previous videos. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll just paste those folders in here. So this is index, about, contact page, and there is our custom style sheet and the picture that we had before. So let me just take those 3 files and open them in our Sublime. Okay, as you can see, this is what we worked before. Or if you didn't watch the videos, that's pretty much a basic HTML. So all we need to do is to include our style sheet in here. Okay, there is also JavaScript, but we don't worry about this in this video. So if you go back here and you open this CSS folder, you'll see there are 4 files: the Bootstrap theme, minified, and this MI instance for minified. So it's actually optimized for the computer to read, not for human, and Bootstrap CSS and Bootstrap min CSS. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna use this file here, bootstrap.css. So we're gonna include it in our HTML template. So head on to the index.html, okay, and let's create another link here. So link, okay, same as this one. It's exactly the same, but we're going to reference different file. Here we say style.css, and in here we will say css/bootstrap.css. This is name of the folder because it's not in the same root directory. It's actually in the folder called CSS. That's why we write css/bootstrap.css, which means basically inside of this folder. Okay, take this file. Okay, we can close this. All right, so save that. Okay, and we can now go ahead and click this index.html and open it. There we go. There's some changes already. You see the links in the home, in the menu, they changed. They are blue. They're a different color of blue. And also font change. Okay, so what we're gonna do, you see our website looks very ugly, so we're gonna head on to Bootstrap and see what classes and what HTML structure we can use to build a very nice website in a very short amount of time. So let's open this Bootstrap page, and there is a couple sections here you want to explore. I highly recommend reading Getting Started section. We're gonna head on directly to the CSS part. And what's interesting to us is the grid system to start with. So just give it a little bit of read because it's very interesting. What we're gonna do, we're gonna build some structure to our website. And we're gonna basically copy paste some of this code. So let's copy this, Control C, and go back to our Sublime text. In here we have this style that we did before with this ugly inline CSS. Okay, so let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of that altogether. Okay, this is fine for now. Just delete all the inline styles. And in here, we have this hello world, blah, blah, blah. What we'll do, we can just replace that, actually. We can delete this whole thing and just paste what we just copied from Bootstrap page. Just fix the indentation so we don't get lost. And if you save now and you head on back to our website, you will notice when you refresh that, well, quite a bit of things have changed. First of all, we get rid of all these nasty colors, but you can also see those are columns in our website. So our website now is divided in a grid system that actually is supposed to look very nice. You can't really see it here, but we're going to fix that very, very soon. So let's go back and do a little bit of work. So first of all, this whole, maybe I'll delete this one because it's very messy, a lot of code. But what I'll do, I'll take this, I'll put it in another Bootstrap class div. So we say div class container. Okay, and I'll close this div right here. Okay, like this. So we have container div, we close it here, and in between you got this, what we just copied from Bootstrap website. We save that and we can go back to the browser, refresh, and now our columns start. If you select them like this, you will see that they're nicely laid out already. They're not spanning all the way, the whole width, and they just kind of sit there in the middle. It's very, very nice. I'm going to show you how powerful this can be. So basically that's it. We've got Bootstrap working. Okay, in this very short video, we just download it, attach the style sheet, and in the next video, I'm going to show you how to do a little bit more of Bootstrap with your website. Thanks, and see you in the next video.